Here's how you can fill out a car title when selling in Ohio. If you're selling a car in Ohio, one thing you absolutely need to get right is the title paperwork. And there's one rule that stands out. Don't sign the title until you're in front of a notary. Now, once you've agreed to the sale, make sure you and the buyer meet somewhere that offers notary services. Most title offices, banks, and even shipping stores like UPS can help with this. Before you hand over the title, flip it over and take a look at the top section on the back. First, write your name on the line that says transferor's or seller's printed name. Then, right next to it, sign your name on the seller's signature line, but only after the notary is ready. That signature has to be witnessed or the title won't be valid. If more than one person is listed on the front of the title, every owner has to sign. You'll all need to be present at the same time to get it notarized. Now, if there's a bank name or a lienholder listed on the title, you'll need to take care of that first. Either get a line release letter or have the lienholder sign off directly on the title. Without that step, the buyer won't be able to register the car. Once everything's filled out, give the signed title to the buyer. Remind them to visit their local title office to complete the transfer as soon as possible. If they wait too long, late fees can kick in. If your title is lost or damaged, don't worry, you can get a duplicate. If you go to a title office in person, you can usually get a replacement the same day. By mail, though, it could take up to 30 days. And there's no online option for this in Ohio, so plan ahead. The fee for a duplicate title is $15. Don't forget to remove your license plates from the car. In Ohio, plates stay with the seller, not the vehicle. You can transfer them to another car or turn them in at your BMV office. If you're not sure where your county's title office is, you can look it up using the BMV's online title office locator. And that is it. Thanks for watching.